they was afraid they wasn't going to be able to find enough people to sweat out. There was a thing that's going out, man. We can't find enough people that can sweat out. They had an open house today. Did you know that? At the hospital.
Yes, sir. That's the NIV before you told me you were there.
I was talking to you.
Oh.
So they had open house at the hospital.
Now, come on. Let's put some more. Come on, Doug. Yeah, let's pick it up. Mo, you gonna have one happen? Yeah, you should have.
Yeah, man, that thing, it's getting more and more beautiful every time, yeah.
It's growing, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. What is it? Still building.
Yeah.
I got some money in my truck.
That's gonna be a class creation. Yes, ma'am. This is my car. Up on the stuff. Yeah. What you saying excuse me for? You alright? All that a part of it.
Which one?
All on the same side. Street 90.
They got to put a 9 or a T on this. Doug had it looking down, so I don't want to be sweat so hard. Yeah, the first one out.
So I can start sweating.
Not yet, son.
You ready? That was up. It's like everybody was enthused about sweating copper today, though.
Man, listen. It's going to be so many tankless water heater installations, y'all. It's going to be crazy. It's going to be crazy. It's going to be crazy. You know, we're going to have fun putting them in.
They take copper pipe.
A lot of them do. You can patch them. You know, they're going to bring the trail out here next week. So, and then I got some people, the PEX people going to come here. Because we're going to be just doing material. And then I got, Will, you going to take your examination? You already paid for your examination for April?
I got to see the most of them.
Huh?
You got to see the most of them.
Okay, let me know. Because we're going to bump off the people that's going to take the examination. And me and Marcus going to work with, Marcus will be with y'all, I'll be with them, and I'll be with them, and then Marcus will be with y'all. We're going to
Hey,
ready.
Can I take my test?
Not until 2
2 years.
You coming up, though?
Yeah.
I need to get my book though.
Huh?
I need to get my book.
Yeah, I don't know where Eric at, but I'm going to get your book tomorrow, because Eric going to be with me tomorrow. Okay. Doug, you got them? You got them? Yeah. It ain't going to hurt. I used to sweat so much coffee, I come out smelling like coffee. It's rare. The hands be green. No, he told me. That's the first time sweat. That day, that's like the first time.
This is really good, though.
From the Iceman, y'all. Oh, we gotta get him, man. Who we gonna be, man? Who we gonna be?
Paul Bunyan.
King of the Hill.
What? John Henry? John Henry?
Ain't nothing to it, y'all. Ain't nothing to it. Ain't nothing to it. Tears
Look at that. Look at that, man. Come on, get out of the way, man. I'll tell you. He gonna take it. He gonna get the last joint.
I'm gonna get one in. And make sure you get these songs up before we leave. Yeah, right now, okay.
All right, y'all.
Yeah, we just got, we got.
Corey got his stuff, right?
Yeah.
You wanna go, man? You want me to go? Yeah.
No. Let's go Mike first. Let's go live.
He gonna come back. Michael come back.
Ain't Michael Jordan.
You wear green? You see green now, bro? You in there?
Just wipe it off.
Want to hook some water up to this thing.
That's an iPad, bro.
Yeah.
The veteran guy.
Oh, no, we're with Cal.
Can the knees keep up?
Which one you gonna do? My bank, Jay.
Y'all gonna leave me one?
Add some more on it.
Had that thing all the way back to the door. That high.
So there is something wrong with that, or is just your work?
It's in my work.
Yeah, I see. You want to make it look good.
Get back.
I am missing. You on camera, T? Yeah, on camera, man.
You missed it on camera?
No heat, put no heat on.
You know that thing gonna come here and ride you. That's what he do. Give me a phone number on that thing.
Put me on
Yeah, put you on speed out, yeah.
Wipe the joint.
His house gonna leak.
Hey, then thing said he got a car in the truck, man.
All right, y'all, we gotta break it down this time. 7:28. Just set it over to the side, man. Yeah, we need that tomorrow.